What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm John the Video Guy, and in this Premiere Pro tutorial I'm going to show you 10 quick shortcuts that you can use to become 10 times faster. So let's dive in. So I'm inside Adobe Premiere Pro and I have some clips imported into my project, and we want to make a new sequence. You can easily make a new sequence by hitting Command N to bring up the new sequence dialog box. Choose from your settings, name your sequence, and click OK. Then click and drag your sequence to the far left to move it outside of that bin. Next, we want to import all of our clips, so just hit Command A and click and drag them to the timeline. Now these are just B-roll clips and we want to remove the audio. To remove the audio, make a marquee selection over all of them and hit Command L, and what this will do is break the link between the video and audio. That way you can marquee select the audio and delete them. Now we're pretty zoomed out on our timeline here and we want to zoom in. You can easily use the plus and minus keys on your keyboard. Hit the plus button to zoom in and the minus key to zoom out. Now to scrub the timeline and make our selections, we can use the JKL shortcuts to play, stop, and go backwards. L goes forward, and if we hit it a few times, you can see it speeds up. We can click stop, and we can click J to actually go backwards. Then hit stop again by hitting K. If we want to make a cut, we can hit Command K, and you'll see that a cut is made on the timeline. We can go forward, and we can hit stop and hit Command K to make another cut. Now say if you're playing a clip and you want this to be the beginning of the clip, you can hit Q on your keyboard and that will trim, so that way this is the very beginning of the clip. And the same, if you want this part to be the end of the clip, you can hit W.
When it should be set to W for Wumbo.
Now if you're going through your clips, you can easily go through them by hitting the up and down buttons to go through your clips on your timeline. If you want to move a clip up and down on a different track, you can hold down Option up and down arrow to actually move them up and down. If you want to speed up a clip, you can click on a clip and hit Command R, and this will bring up clip speed and duration. Then you can type in your new speed and click OK. If you want to export your video, you can hit Command M, and this will bring you to the export menus. And if you're interested on the best export settings that I use all the time, you can check out this video right up there. Feel free to go watch it. Otherwise, that is 10 helpful tips to get 10 times faster inside Premiere Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.